Hey you, yes, you in your 30, sitting there juggling a full-time job, a side hustle, and somehow finding time to enjoy life, hopefully with a good cup of coffee in hand. If you're thinking about how to make money without breaking a sweat, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the best passive income ideas for your 30s. Because let's be honest, you're ready to level up your financial game. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your money work for you so you can start living life on your terms. Whether that's traveling, spending more time with family, or simply not having to stress about your next paycheck. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's talk passive income. All right, before we dive into the money-making ideas, let's make sure we're on the same page. What is passive income? Well, passive income is money you earn from investments, businesses, or assets that require minimal ongoing effort to keep the cash flow coming in. In other words, you're putting in the work up front, but once it's set up, you get to kick back and relax while the money rolls in. Think of it as your money working 24/7 while you're living life. Now, before you get too excited and start thinking it's like a magic money tree, spoiler alert, it's not. Remember, it still takes effort to set things up, but once it's in motion, you'll be seeing the benefits. Let's get into the best ways to build passive income in your 30s. Okay, enough with the intro. Let's talk about the good stuff. The best passive income strategies for your 30s. Whether you're working a 9-to-5 job, building a side hustle, or just looking to make your money work harder for you, these ideas will get you on the right track. First up, we've got dividend investing. Here's the deal. You invest in companies that pay dividends and they send you regular payments in the form of a dividend. It's like having your own mini paycheck, but without having to do any extra work. The beauty of dividends is that they're paid out regularly, either quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. And as the company grows, those dividends can grow too. Plus, reinvesting those dividends back into more stocks lets you compound your returns even further. It's like planting a money tree and watching it grow bigger and bigger. Now, don't think you need thousands of dollars to get started. Even if you start small, as long as you're consistent, it can turn into something significant over time. So grab those dividend-paying stocks, sit back and watch the money roll in. This is an awesome way to build passive income for the long term. Next up, let's talk about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Real estate can be a great way to generate passive income, but buying actual property comes with a lot of hassle. Maintenance, tenants, and let's not forget the down payment. So, how do you invest in real estate without all the drama? Enter REITs. These are companies that own or finance real estate and pay you a portion of the rental income or profits. All you have to do is invest in the REIT and let them handle the property side of things. It's like buying shares in a company that owns a bunch of rental properties. The best part? You can invest in REITs with as little as $100 and you get access to a diversified portfolio of properties, from residential buildings to shopping centers. Plus, most REITs pay out regular dividends, so it's a win-win. It's a perfect way to dip your toes into real estate without all the headaches. Next on our list is peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P lending. Ever dreamt of being the bank? Well, now you can be. With P2P lending, you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, and they pay you back with interest. You can start lending with just a few $100, and your money can earn a solid return. But remember, like any investment, there's some risk involved. So be sure to diversify your lending to reduce risk. Now, let's talk about something really exciting. Creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, printable planners, stock photos, or even niche websites. If you've got knowledge or a skill, whether it's writing, design, or something else, you can turn that into a digital product that keeps making you money. The best part? You create it once and it keeps selling over and over again, creating a steady stream of passive income. Whether you create an online course teaching how to brew the perfect cup of coffee, because who doesn't need that knowledge, or a planner to organize their chaotic lives, once it's online, it can keep selling with little effort from you. Next, we have index funds. If you don't want to spend a lot of time analyzing individual stocks or worrying about the ups and downs of the market, index funds are a great way to go. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that tracks a broad market index like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, you're investing in a diversified basket of them. This way you can ride the general growth of the market over time. It's a slow and steady strategy for long-term wealth building. Plus, most index funds are low cost, which means you get to keep more of your gains. Over time, as the market grows, so does your investment. It's as passive as it gets. Set it up, sit back, and watch your wealth grow. Last but not least, let's talk about high-yield savings accounts. Now, I know what you're thinking. A savings account isn't really passive income. But hear me out. A high-yield savings account earns you a higher interest rate than a regular savings account, sometimes up to 10, 20 times more. It's like giving your savings an upgrade. While it won't make you rich, it's a safe way to earn a little extra passive income without any risk. Look for online banks that offer higher interest rates than traditional banks. And hey, it's perfect for your emergency fund or short-term savings goals. Every little bit counts, right? Now that we've covered all these awesome passive income ideas, let's talk about how to actually get started. If you're ready to make some money while you sleep, here's what you can do. Start small. You don't need to invest a ton of money up front. Start with what you can afford and grow from there. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try a mix of different passive income streams to spread out the risk. Be consistent. The key to passive income is patience. Keep investing, keep building, and the returns will come. Remember, the earlier you start, the bigger the payoff later. Your 30s are the perfect time to lay the groundwork for your future wealth. All right, that's a wrap. Hopefully you've got a good idea of how to start building passive income in your 30s. Now don't just sit there, get moving and start investing in your future today. If you found this video helpful, do me a solid and hit that like button. And hey, don't forget to share this with your friends, they'll thank you for it. Subscribe for more financial tips and tricks and leave a comment below, letting me know which passive income idea you're excited to try. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Now go make that money work for you.